Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is Nachus and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we bring you football updates all over the world, bring you news from La Liga, Premiership, Serie A, and the rest of the world. For now, we'll start with Arsenal Football Club. Lord Perrin wey be Saliba former teammate don come outside dey talk say almost this Saliba wey dey see Saliba don dey play very well because the guy don improve immensely when the guy don enter for Marcel, and say if to say Arsenal no let this guy go, say this guy for help Arsenal shore up their defense. See that first 3 games dem chop 9 goals. So if to say Saliba dey there, almost say for no happen like that, especially when you see say people like Bruno Gales dey injured. People like Ben White that time get coronavirus, so Arsenal defense just be shit packer he gets. If to say Saliba dey there, he go help them. Well, one no go dey cry over spilled milk. If to say, what if to say Saliba can't do there, can't chop the 9 goals? What if people can't talk? They can't talk say okay. If to say maybe Rob hold the day, if it not happen like that, no, people must always talk, regardless of the situation. So we'll just leave that one, Jerry. Tim Sherwood will be ex-Tottenham player and ex-Tottenham manager. Don't come outside the talk. So for this Arsenal lineup, we see this Arsenal first 11. So the only 2 people where if break into Tottenham first 11 are maybe Bukayo Saka, then maybe Tierney. So apart from those 2, you don't see anybody if you say break into Tottenham 11. Say for Aubameyang no be Aubameyang we know before. Say Aubameyang don't share. So Odegaard, that one the first team manage am small. Say the rest, Benjamin they go deep to see them dey for Tottenham Hotspur. Well, everybody get their mouth to talk. I be waiting I get to talk to waiting Tim Sherwood dey talk. I know say David don dey come forward. So everybody don't come outside and make statements. Whether na mumu statement or any IB, they just want talk. Maybe see that they support their team. Just like say make I come outside and I talk say because of the way Tottenham dey flop now. I talk say none of their team members go fit break into Arsenal first 11. We don't set up now. Talk is cheap now. Now on Sunday we go know what they talk, whether na true or whether na lie. Paul Merson sef don come outside the talk say if Arsenal go fit beat Tottenham Hotspur on Sunday, say na only one player and say that player gas to dey on him perfect best, and that person na Bukayo Saka. Say if Bukayo Saka play very well that day, so Arsenal go win. But if Saka no play well, so Arsenal no go win. I no buy wetin Baba dey talk. I disagree small. Because now Saka no even dey at the top of him game. Saka we dey even dey talk say whether make them give Saka for Benjamin, whether make them keep am for Benjamin come inside of Saka, because the way the team don set up now, that game na battle of Muzanga. We no want anybody who come inside, come play like a check out how many games we don't play already now. Saka never really shine. I've only cup now we dey see him. But when it comes to man on man, all these kind of games, the guy does more. You get so make them not put the whole responsibility for his head. He's just 20 for crying out loud. Which club they rely on a 20-year-old winger for this life? Apart from maybe Bayern Munich, they will rely on Serge Gnabry. Even Gnabry self, I doubt if he's even 20 years old self. The guy go down old small. So Saka still dey very tender, he never reach a peak. So make them cut this guy some slack. If they talk say rely, but I know they put Saka name there. Come on, why don't they talk to me? They rely on Aubameyang, they rely on Lacazette, they rely on Odegaard. Please, Odegaard na playmaker, I mean play very well. Maybe now no kill this our Saka. Make the other players, make them step up, party them, step up, play very well, make them win, but they happy. Pepe go, wow. Surprise, Barcelona don't dey interested in signing Lacazette. Don't be Barcelona and Atletico Madrid. Now you know say back they no get money to sign players. So the reason say for January, Lacazette go come at a very cheap option. So the reason say they go swoop in for January. So they don't disturb Arsenal small. Arsenal never reply. Then January is still far now. So when January reach, when the window don't open, then they will free transact the business normal. Well, all I'm good. I know say if Arsenal sell them, Arsenal go still bring reinforcements. That one a nice one. Repalo sef don come outside dey advise Mikel Arteta say it's the best time now to sign Bissouma. If na that kind January, bring money make he sign Bissouma. You see this Bissouma, he go complement the new squad wey he dey build. He go fit help them. If you create partner that kind Bissouma party, he go dey very good. But the thing is say where Lokonga they will come dey play. Xhaka, we never know whether Xhaka go still find square root, or whether Xhaka go still dey. If to say him go find square root, I no sure say they go come upgrade and come promote am to vice captain. You get that promotion means say they still need am, they rely on am, and they depend on am. They very good. You get that's why they won't keep am. So for you to buy Bissouma now, where you go come? How you want to do the midfield now? Because defensive midfield slots now just 2. Now we'll get for that place. So how you want to do am? You want put Partey, Bissouma, make Xhaka for Benjamin, I be Shaka Pate Shaka. I be I won't do. I don't understand. Where Bissouma go play, and Bissouma no be person be say you go buy him one day for Benjamin. So I be want to play 3 defensive midfield. How you want to do? I would say I never really understand, because we can come outside now and say, okay, Boko advice Ateta, buy this, buy that, but you still have to factor in after buying that person. How is he going to play that person? I be how nothing say Ateta go fit play Bissouma if he buy him. Where Pate go come play? Where Shaka go play? Lokonga go. Where go come dey? What else then you can do? So all these things na considerations wey we go factor. On my familiar setting, they come dey ask me Ateta say wetin dey think about this North London derby. So Baba come dey talk say this derby na battle. Say na big battle, and na battle dey big for 2 teams wey wan win. They dey willing to win. They no wan settle for draw. You get? They dey look for how they go take win this match so that they go take make their own season they make go well, because don't say Tottenham Hotspur now they never really win. You get? They need points like mad. Arsenal now we don't win some games, but we still need to win more to go higher up in the table. You know, everybody need win. Forgetting the Emirates for derby, no home advantage. Emotions they flying, atmosphere electric. No, sports fans go full the Emirates Stadium. Arsenal fans go full everywhere. Now do or die. So that is Sunday, we already know in a battle, and the players they ready for it. They wait. Winterborn wey be one of Arsenal legends don come outside dey advise Ben White. So Baba come dey talk say the problem wey see Ben White get na decision making problem. The guy no dey make decision on time. If dem give am ball, he no dey decide whether should I pass, should I play over the top, should I give it back to the keeper. He no dey think quick. So in the advice and say you have to think more than you play. Thinking na part of playing. If dem give you ball, you need to think first. Don't say just give you ball. And see another thing we say before na enter field, coach go don give you some instructions. Say don't balloon the ball. Always play from the back. When they give you the ball, give it to Morales. When they give you the ball, give it to Tierney or give it to Tomiyasu. But you wait for the field now. If you hold the ball, if you want to see coach talk, and you want to say, that thing don't make sense. Baby, give the ball to Ramsdale. You go put Ramsdale under pressure. You need to use your initiative. You need to use your number 6. Balloon the ball. That is when thinking comes into the play. No be every player they follow what coach advice and to. Paul Merson himself not come outside they criticize Kylian Tierney. So back on the talk say Kylian Tierney they work too much. You get? And they work like Jackie. And they do everything. They forget your own job. Why you gonna leave your left back when they cover center back? Everybody get their job. If you leave your left back on cover center back, then your left back will be exposed, because maybe person from midfield is supposed to help you cover your own left back, no go cover him. You go wrong, go front, come back. When they cover center back, go back, go. Come on now. Face your job, you get? Nobody will criticize you. If you want overlap. If you want come back, you come back. But no, they leave your place, go to cover center back. Where the center backs work out, go away, go to cover them. So that's the only problem when you see Kylian Tierney get. The guy now the guy they too work too much. Now what about they talk? So I mean just calm down a bit. Nobody go they praise you, say they do everything. If they come they bust our nets, focus on your job. Your job is to man that left back, overlap and come back. Just focus on that job. On my Daily Mail will be one of our monitoring spirits. Don't come outside. They let us know say Antonio Conte no dey interested in signing for either Barcelona or Arsenal. Say the guy don't need them at all. Say the only way the guy dey interested in a new project will go happen next season. So the guy get exciting project. They don't let us know the project. They don't let us know the club. But by next season that there is an exciting project waiting for him. Well, we could watch and see what he will be. William Gallas will be one of Arsenal greats. Don't come outside the talk. Say the only problem we get with Arteta be say Arteta go sign Ben White and instead of signing Rafael Varane. So why go sign Ben White 50 million? Where if he buy Varane like 40 million? Say it no make sense. Say Varane they come from Real Madrid, Ben White they come from Brighton. Fine. Say some people go talk say Ben White is very young. Say Varane don't old. But at the same time, you're not supposed to be like that. But truly, Moko talk. I mean, say Arsenal talk say they find younger players. That's why they go for Ben White, because the guys still get a lot of future to achieve a lot of things. But at the same time, he get what Gallas to understand. If na him be Varane, she ain't go come Arsenal. A club wey no dey go Europa League, a club wey no dey go Champions League. You don't know say na all those things that go help us attract some of the best names. So most people they recommend say, okay, buy this, buy that. You don't know say na those names that go help us attract them. Sometimes before you talk, you need to think about what you want to say. Do your research, get your facts right. Don't just come outside and make a decision because you be legend. Just talk for talking sake, because you know say if you want talk, media people will come they listen to you. Don't be so things be. You guys understand how it is be. So Arsenal no get the power to attract some people. Varane no go fit come Arsenal. Somebody who don't talk before say go sign Erling Haaland. Erling Haaland said no go come. Okay, make I even bust your brain. You see this Bissouma on one side, Bissouma don't come outside. Last 2 weeks he talk say he would like to go club with the Champions League because he won't play Champions League. You see Jack Grealish, we go Man City. You know they enjoy Champions League now. If you say as in day, if to Arsenal go meet at that time, so one buy and so 1 pay 100 million, this ain't go come. That's what it just been. Now sometimes it's not about the money. Sometimes it's about playing in the best of the best competitions in the world. So my papa just calm down a bit. But David Seaman said don't come outside they talk say him dey very very impressed with Aaron Ramsdale. You get say him be keeper. If you ever see good keeper, himself go know. And the thing be say Arteta now don already decide who be number 1 and who be number 2. He say anything we make Arteta put Leno for that cup. He don't show say na there him see Leno position. Leno go dey play cup them unless maybe Ramsdale come get injury. And before they come draft Leno come back. Say for now, Leno don't be the number 2 and Ramsdale don't be the number 1 and that's so it will be. William Gallas don't come out again. They call it blast Arteta. I don't know whether I see Arteta for him dream. So Babaka they talk say Arsenal make a very big mistake for signing Arteta. Say the guy no get experience. The guy just dey under Guardiola. All of a sudden he just got all this one now old story now. We don't hear all this one don't pass now. Carry us go for Corinthians. I know they carry us go Old Testament. We don't know all this one since now. So what's the way forward? Don't sign him. So we don't sign him. And the club don't get trust in him. They don't give him money making buy player. He don't buy player. I am see what thing go fit do now. Person don't buy player. If he no can do well with the player, then we will sack him now. You never allow him make him do something with the player. So now give him money, make him buy. Now when they talk say, Baba, this one Old Testament I beg. And when David Seaman don't come outside, they predict wetin Arsenal go play versus Spurs. So Baba they talk say in the see that kind 2-0, in a 2-0 in the see. Well, I don't know whether that's true or whether I lie. So at the same time, Mark Lawrence himself, one of our favorite pundits, don't come outside the talk say for the match. So wetin him they see now 1-1. Say winner no go dey. So everybody they go to fight for draw. Well, for me, I never know what I see now. Sunday still far. That kind of Saturday or Sunday morning update. If I drop out, I will tell you what I see. I never get the inspiration to talk what it goes up on that day. So that's what it just be. So my dear football lovers, now here we'll come to the end of today's show. Tomorrow, I'll come again, come giving our fresh updates as they drop all over the world. And if today is the first time we see our program, don't forget to like our posts, share our videos, follow us, and support us. And see that bell notification icon we did there. Toggle them so that when next we drop videos, Facebook and YouTube will notify you so we don't drop out. Thank you for always supporting us. God bless you.